Please read the question. A line PQ measuring 70 mm is true length TL is inclined to HP at 30 degree is theta. True inclination with HP is given as theta, and to VP as 45 degree. It is phi is a notation. True inclination with HP with VP. With the end point P is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. Draw its projections means asked to draw the final front view and the final top view. It is given in three steps. In step number 1, whatever the data given in the question is converted into diagram. Okay. It is location of point P dash 20 mm above HP, and P point is located 15 mm in front of VP, that will come below the XY line. Theta is given as true inclination with HP 30 degree, and phi is true inclination with VP, that comes below the XY line. The true length is given as 70 mm, and this is also 70 mm. The step 1 is the data given in the question is marked, converted into diagram. Understand? In step 2, this is a vertical projector drawn from point Q2 upward. Similarly, this is downward projector from Q1 dash drawn downward using the vertical scale of the drafter, so that you will get a Q2 dash and Q1. Letter with a dash or the usual notations followed for the points obtained above the XY line, and below the XY line the points are marked without a dash, simply lowercase letters. Okay. In the step 3, it is shown that the final projections are obtained. This is P dash, and this is point B. Taking compass, P dash as center and P dash Q2 dash as radius, draw an arc upward where it intersects with the locus line passing through Q1 dash shall be marked as Q dash. Then join P dash and Q dash by HB pencil or H pencil appears to be dark. All other lines shall be drawn by 2H pencil called construction lines or projection lines. Similarly, with the P as center, PQ1 as radius, draw an arc downward where it intersects with the locus line passing through Q2 shall be marked as Q. Join P and Q is the final top view obtained. Okay, this is how the drawing appears when drawn on the drawing sheet, and you can write a common representation. All dimensions are in mm, right side lower part of your diagram. So you can complete the given question in a single step. This is for explanation purpose, simple explanation purpose. The detailed explanation is, the link is given in the description box, and if you click the link you can learn the content. It is explained using the marker board. And thanks for listening. Yes.